Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rimly B Ed and I'm back with another video, and this time I brought you notes for statistics and measurement, which are the topics included in the B.Ed syllabus. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you do not miss any video from my channel which are meant to help you in your B.Ed journey. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we have the definitions for statistics and data. I'm going to read them out for you in case you do not understand my handwriting. Alright, so statistics. Statistics is a certain kind of measure to evaluate a selected property of the collection of items under investigation. It is the science of assembly, analyzing, characterizing, and interpreting collection of data. Next comes the definition for data. Data is the details regarding numerical records or codes. In statistics, the term data generally refers to measures of height, weight, achievement, scores, etc. Over here we have the tabular classification of data, and here is mentioned the instructions to tabulate scores into frequency distribution. So it says most of the data collected are not in organized form, so it is difficult to interpret such data and reach some conclusion. For understanding a certain phenomenon and then assuming at some useful conclusion, it is advisable to organize or arrange the data in a systematic manner. For this, determine the range or gap between the highest and the lowest score. Commonly used grouping intervals are 3, 5, 10 units. Select by trial a grouping unit which will give from 5 to 15 categories. The number of intervals with a given range can be determined approximately by dividing the range by a grouping interval tentatively clear. Tally the scores in their proper intervals. There are two types of measurement: physical measurement and psychological or mental measurement. Next we come to the nature of measurement. Measurement is a part of evaluation. It is a static process. It is objective. It takes place every time in every walk of life. Measurement refers to quantitative aspects. In measurement, a standardized scale is used. Measurement is concerned with the level of achievement. There are two types of measurement: physical and mental measurement. There are 4 scales of measurement: nominal scale, ordinal scale, ratio scale, and interval scale. Measurement only relates to the cognitive areas of man's achievement. It gives only partial views of the students. The aim of measurement is to measure the abilities or level of attainment of students in specific areas. Measurement relates only to curriculum. It is related to the external assessment of the students. Measurement in education. Measurement in education refers to the process or method of determining attributes of educational methods and processes. It is the use of educational assessments and the analysis of data such as scores obtained from educational assessments to infer the abilities and proficiencies of students. The aim of theory and practice in educational measurement is typically to measure abilities and levels of attainment by students in areas such as reading, writing, mathematics, science, and so forth. Traditionally, attention focuses on whether assessments are reliable and valid. In practice, educational measurements is largely concerned with the analysis of data from educational assessments or tests. This means using total scores on assessments rather than multiple choices or open-ended and marking guides. In practical terms, the pattern of scores by individual students to individual items is used to infer so-called scale location of students, the measurement. The process is one form of scaling. Essentially, higher total score, if higher scale location consistent with the traditional and everyday use of total scores. If certain theory is used, though there is not a strict correspondence between the ordering of total scores and the ordering of scale locations. In terms of the broad body of purely mathematics theory, there is substantial overlap between educational measurement and psychomotor. However, certain approaches considered to be a part of psychometrics, including classical test ideal response theory, were originally developed more specifically for the analysis of data from educational assessment. One of the aims of applying theory and techniques in educational measurement is to try to place the results of different tests administered to different groups of students on a single or common scale through a process known as test equating. The rationale is that because different assessments usually have different difficulties, the total scores cannot be directly compared. The aim of trying to place results on a common scale is to allow comparison of scale locations inferred from the total scaling processes. So thank you so much guys, hope this video helped you. If you think my videos are helpful, please subscribe and share them with all your friends pursuing B.Ed, because I'll bring more videos which could be helpful for you. And if you have any requests for any videos related to B.Ed, or if you want notes for a certain topic, just comment down below and I'll be happy to share them with all of you. So see you next time, take care.